EDCO scarifiers are designed to remove concrete, asphalt, and floor coverings. They create textured, roughened, and cleaned surfaces. Scarifiers are great for surface removal, line and markings removal, leveling sidewalk trip hazards, coating preparation, and creating non-slip surfaces. This video shows how to properly use and maintain the EDCO 8-inch walk-behind Scarifier, model CPM8. All options scarify approximately 350 to 500 square feet per hour at an 1/8 inch depth per pass when using EDCO's carbide cutter accessories. Scarifiers remove surfaces by using rotating drums, filled with these carbide cutters or steel accessories. The tungsten carbide cutters are the most aggressive and longest lasting accessory. One set of carbide should remove 6,000 to 8,000 square feet of concrete at an 1/8 inch before replacement. Carbides are designed for most general purpose applications. Pick up the Scarifier and make sure the engage-disengage lever is in the up position. This will disengage the drum. Attach a 2 or 3 inch vacuum hose to the multi-vac port. Airborne dust is harmful. EDCO recommends its line of vacuum systems for safe dust prevention. If you're using a gasoline model, turn on the gas line switch, then turn on the engine switch. Adjust the gas and choke, open the throttle, and then pull the start cord. To begin scarifying with all models, adjust the depth control crank all the way up. Lower the engage-disengage lever into the engage position and begin adjusting the depth control crank down. You will hear the accessories touch the floor. You are now scarifying. To achieve the maximum 1/8 inch removal per pass, turn the depth control crank 3 full times after hearing the accessories touch. Upon engaging, you'll feel the machine pulling forward. Hold on to the handlebars and direct the machine. Do not let go without raising the engage-disengage lever. The machine will run away if it's still scarifying. The depth will stay set when you disengage the drum. Remember, the Scarifier is designed to remove an 1/8 inch of concrete per pass. If the application calls for deeper removal, scarify the area multiple times. Removing too much per pass will damage the accessories and will slow the task.
One of the most common applications for the EDCO CPM8 Scarifier is the removal of trip hazards. A trip hazard is when two concrete slabs meet and one has risen or lowered, causing them to no longer line up. This is called a trip hazard because it commonly occurs on sidewalks. The CPM8 is the perfect machine for this application because it not only quickly removes the trip hazard, but also leaves a textured, non-slip surface. Before starting the machine, make sure the engage-disengage lever is in the upright, disengaged position, and that the depth control crank is all the way up. When scarifying a trip hazard, always start from the higher side and work your way over. Never start from the low side. It's important to always have dust prevention when scarifying. Scarifiers are aggressive and create large amounts of harmful airborne concrete dust, as shown here with this machine. When equipped with a vacuum, like this machine, there is almost no dust. Attach a 2-inch or 3-inch vacuum hose to the multi-vac port. EDCO recommends its line of vacuum systems for safe dust prevention. Start the machine, engage the drum, and roll it over top the trip hazard. Crank the depth control hand wheel down until you hear the cutters touch the surface. Then work the machine back and forth over the trip hazard, up and down, and side to side. Once you hear the cutters no longer hitting the surface, crank the wheel 1 turn down and continue scarifying. Repeat this process until the hazard is level. A typical trip hazard with around 1 inch of difference can be removed in under 4 minutes with the CPM8.